vouch for that.
I understand. You got expelled.
Hello everyone, my name is Yolanda Regama and we have today, we have a good daughter and it's called Masha and the Bear for the all in the universe that are good and safe. So let's go to watch.
Yung pinapalitan, pinatatanggal ko yun.
Help this tree.
Hindi, dapat hindi nila ilagay yung 2 hours nila sa exclusion. Kasi di ba bayad naman sila doon.
Like the Christmas tree.
Oh,
Merry Christmas. Come again.
hindi, wala. Uy, di ba kasi imagine mo Dudang, sabihin mo lang kung mali ako. Hindi. Tatawag ako si Maribek. Hindi, ba't sino po ako ng gano'n?
So that is what it's like. Transforming power of art. That's it. You are my toy. That never ever ends.
Maribek, may tatanong ako sa'yo. Nag-comment ka ba sa DO na yung 2 hours? Yun daw yung sabi daw, si Dudang kong kausap ko, sabi niya, ma'am, iklaro ko lang sa'yo, sige, balikan ko si Dudang dyan. Sabihin ko wala kang sinasabi at yung Giselle lang ang kausap mo.
What?